I'm going to go ahead and start putting some of this back up. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this wire away such that it won't interfere with what we're doing. I'm just gonna stick it into the well here. And I'm going to go ahead and replace the trim piece that we took off. There are pins I'm trying to line up here. Last but not least, we're going to put this piece back in. Easiest way to do it is to bend it and make sure the clips line up. There we go. And then we just replace our trim. There we go. And the driver's side is done. That's good. Let's go ahead and get the passenger side done. Okay, so before we do this side, we got to get the LED strip in. Okay, so I have the light strip here.